be okay. And I know.
This is nice, baby.
I know, no, it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be.
Right guys, we've arrived, we're in, as you've just seen. This was 24 quid for the night. This is our spec. Reception's up there. We're gonna get a new battery in the camera and I'll show you the swimming pool. They must have just been waiting for us to check in. This is the men. There's the women. There's one. Showers. Wow. This is nice, baby. Shame it's 25 quid nearly. Wow, it even looks clean, man. Wow. Sheesh kebab. Where is everyone? And then we got the blue skies as well. Well, I didn't expect this, guys. Right, I'm gonna go here. Sun's shining up there. I'm gonna pick a blue chair. There we go. Guys, that was cold. It is cold. It's got to be the biggest swimming pool I've had. Oh yeah. Biggest swimming pool I've ever had to myself. Oh yeah. He's playing with the toy still. She's not even been in the pool yet. Whew. That was a good fun on the bed, that. I'm gonna have a rest now. Head back on the sunbathing. See you in a bit. Whew, guys, that's me done for this afternoon. I'm hoping I got a bit of a tan. We're coming to the end of this trip now. I've heard it's sunny in England. I'm going back to the van. My phone's been dead for about an hour and a half. I'll charge my phone and recharge my belly. Yeah. I'm hungry. I'm getting angry. Whew, bit of a walk, this pool. Lily went on a walk before, said she found the football court, stuff like that. I can't wait to have a shave in a bit. Shave my head. And two boys on reception are back. I thought they'd gone for the day. So maybe people have turned up and they've checked in. See if there's anybody near our spot. I left the van without the handbrake on. We haven't got an handbrake, so I left it out of gear. Let's have a look what this mini golf's like. Yeah, looks operational. Got 2 floors there. Might have a go with that later. Looking at the map there, it's got an arrow on the right saying access to village. Maybe I'll Google the village in a bit before I mention it to Lily, and maybe take her for a mooch later on tonight. Something to do. I'm still not supposed to be having any beer. I could be tempted to have 1 beer. I'm missing my beer. Anyway, back at the van. Let's get tea on. Good morning. from the van. Right, this is morning, waking up in the campsite. I'm just going to try and sneak one more dip in the pool. I don't know what time they're supposed to kick us off. Maybe it's 12. I don't know. It's been alright here. I think the pool makes up for it. When you've got a huge feck off pool like that, nothing else matters. And the pool's ice cold as well, which I like. I like it when you lie in the sun, you bake, and then that's a refreshing dip in it. Once you're swimming about, it's alright. So I'll take you through here one last time. Got some bins up there. I'll nip there on the way out. Right, I thought the pool was shut. They've shut the doors and everything. Obviously no one down here, because there never is. I'm going to sit here for half an hour, because today's driving. We've got 250 miles to drive, so it's going to be about 6-7 hours on these roads. You always get stuck behind a dumper truck or something, tanker. You can only average 50 miles an hour roughly. And France is the worst country I know for roundabouts. Oh, it's a roundabout every 1 mile. Seats are surprisingly comfy. Put you in a permanent lounge position. I've got about 30 bites from last night. Mosquitoes in this place is the number one. They don't seem to be restricted to night time, and they don't care about you attacking them. They just land on you, munch. Anyway, not a bad view for a Monday morning. Boat is booked. We've got 250 miles today to park up, just normal side of the road type thing. And then we got about another 300 miles, maybe 350, to Dunkirk region. I will park somewhere in Dunkirk Thursday night, and then Friday is just chill out day, and we're on the boat at 10 PM Friday night. We get into England Saturday morning, midnight. Well, it's midnight, so Friday night, Saturday morning in England, and then we've got whatever 300-ish miles back to the northwest. I've got a call in at see me grandma. She's 93, not seen her for 6 months. We've got to stay incognito, got to stay under the radar, because Lily's mum's a poison witch. She can't live in a van. Anything to just get her to try and live with her, so she can get more benefits. That's what she's done all her life. But obviously, because she's a shit mother, she's not got custody of her kid. Anyway, we'll stay under the radar because we've got big news coming. Because once we're back in England, I'm working for 10, 11, possibly 12 weeks, and then we've got another adventure. I'll tell you more about that in another video. It's going to be good. Don't forget, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. We're currently at 278 subscribers. I'm hoping by the time you watch this, it'll be over 300. Somewhere in 300-400s. So please subscribe, like any videos you watch. And don't forget, if you think anyone's interested in van life and travelling, because that's what this channel is going to be full time. Van life is practically over with this one for now. I am keeping the van for at least another year, and I will be going out in it in the future, back over to Europe, probably next summer. I'm going to use it as a base in England, in between working and travelling. And yeah, the other big news is we've got flights booked to Right, that's it guys for this campsite. I'm going to get a quick shower. I'll show you the shower block. It's nothing special. And there's only the women's open, so it's a bit weird because you've got to go in the women's. I'd say there's about 10 to 15 of them, and the rest is just these pitches. And this is the shower block. Anyway, I guess the men's is similar to this. It's empty here, so we got 1, 2, 3 toilets, and 1, 2, 3. Oh, I can wash my plate here. Hello, bonjour, ça va? Yeah. So 1, 2, 3 toilettes and 1, 2, 3 douche. Right. Right guys, that's the shower done. Only problem with the shower is, obviously it's not that warm. It does get warm, but you've got to keep pressing the button. And I counted, the button lasts for 20 seconds. 20 seconds. So a bit of a pain. Anyway, job done.